excited, chef! Ah! We're gonna open the flour. Who's ready to open the flour? It smells like nothing. It smells like... It looks like sand. Maybe Amelia wants some. Shut up! I'm busy. I don't have a spoon, so I'm gonna use my hands. My hands are clean. 255. Does it... Wait, does the kitchen scale count the flour that I spilled on the outside of the scale, I wonder? Gura, did you really just ask that? Yes. Should I use the utensil or should I just eyeball it? I'm gonna eyeball it. I'm a trained professional, okay? Okay, that looks right. That's like half a teaspoon. Yeah, that's half a teaspoon. Yes. What does a teaspoon look like? Does anybody know what a teaspoon looks like? Okay, Pujo! How about like 3 grates of salt? Is that too much? Are these gonna be... Did I do too much? I did 3. Is that too much? That's not too much. It can't be that much. That might be too much, isn't it? Yeah, bye. Oh, it's okay. Salty cookies will make it just seem like Amelia's here. Aww, yeah. Shut up! How much butter are we short? I have 160 grams? 60 grams short of butter? That's not that bad. It's all over me. Oh, it's so sticky. It's so slimy. Oh gosh, it's like... Oh, it's like it's grease. It's almost as if it's all over me. What do? I do have a... I do have a napkin. Nice. Good, chef. Good, can I get a... Yes, chef. I'll be over here. Beating the mixture. Oh, yeah. This looks gross. I love it. It's too big. Oh, it looks so gross. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, my hands are all icky, sticky now. Okay, somebody turn the music on, hurry. I have with me a cutting board. Cause, I mean, I don't want to mix this on my table. It's crazy. Look, it's Ina. She's gonna kick my butt. I did flour my roller, but now I'm beating it because it's not working out very well. I need to sneeze. This is bad. Where do I put my face? See, who needs a rolling pin when you can just ground pound it, right? I'm just gonna... I gotta try this, okay? We're gonna try this cookie, okay? I'm alone there. Okay, let's see how good we did, guys, okay.